Hello Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta po kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it and God bless you all. This is for your October messages. Una mensahe ninyo is empowerment. Ayan, so maybe ito yung focus ninyo sa ngayon, to empower yourself, to develop yourself, yung ganon. May mga personal development din siguro dito na mga gagawin kayo or mga ideas ninyo, on how to empower yourself. Maaaring ganon ang focus ni Gemini. Transformation, beautiful transformation, things are getting better na para sa inyo ngayon, Gemini, so this is really exciting for you. Maaring sa iba't ibang parte yan ng buhay ninyo. That could be personal change, diba? May mga babaguhin kayo sa sarili ninyo, personal development, maaari din naman na this is change in a spiritual level. This could also be a change in like trabaho, karera, relationship, mga family dynamics, relationship dynamics, siguro may mga ganong pagbabago siguro, We have answers. Ayan. So, you are seeking for answers. You are seeking for clarity dito, Gemini. That's what I'm picking up. So, maaring kailangan ninyo dito, kailangan ninyo dito na magmuni-muni. Yan ang napipick up ko dyan. You may need to do some kind of reflection, introspection, because maybe you are praying for answers. You are asking for answers, diba? Naghihingi kayo dito ng enlightenment, clarity, confirmation, maaaring ganon, And ang sinasabi ng card na to, that you are getting the answers now that you are seeking. You need to go deep within you, Hindi mo mahahanap yung mga sagot sa outside of yourself. Hindi mo yan makukuha or maririnig sa ibang tao, But you are going to listen to that answer sa dibdib ninyo, from deep within you, So you may need to put yourself into solitude nang makapag muni-muni kayo, makapag-isip kayo, alam mo yun, yung matahimik yung isip muna ninyo, yung wala muna kayong gagawin, wala muna kayong makakausap, yung kayo lang, para nang sa gayon you can tune in sa inyong intuition, you can connect with your higher consciousness. And pag quiet kasi tayo, Gemini, diba, mas naririnig natin yung soul natin na nagsasalita. Mas naririnig natin ang bulong ng intuition natin, ng puso natin, And that's what you need, because the answers of sa mga questions ninyo will be found from deep within you, Yan ang mensahe dyan. So what else? We have love. Ayan, wow, napakaganda. You're going to be overflowing with love sa ngayon. That could be love for yourself as well dito, Maaring magiging focus ninyo is yung self-love ninyo, Maaring ganun din ang ganap. It could also be that you have so much love then for other people sa ngayon. Maaring may mga gagawin kayo, to show love for other people as well, to express your love for other people. Maaari din naman na kayo ang recipient nito ngayon, Gemini. Maaring may mga tao din sa paligid ninyo that are going to express their love for you, Manifesting dreams, napakaganda. Holy moly, Gemini. You are manifesting your dreams sa ngayon. Look at that. At maaring yan ang magdadala ng pagbabago sa course of your life sa ngayon. So, kung ano man yung mga pangarap ninyo, dreams yan, marami, hindi lang isang pangarap ninyo maaring mag-come to fruition sa ngayon, Gemini. So, this is such an exciting time for you, I-align nyo na ang inyong sarili dyan sa energy na yan. Focus on what is positive lang, Nang sa gayon, yung mga positive things and situations lang din talaga mag-unfold sa buhay ninyo ngayon, lalong-lalo na meron kayong ima-manifest dito na pangarap ninyo, This is such an exciting time, Gemini. Kaya focus lang tayo sa positive thoughts, positive mindset tayo, para mahatak natin lahat na magagandang pangyayari, including the manifestation of your dreams. We have patience. Ayan. So be patient as well. No, be patient. Or this could also be, mensahe sa inyo na your patience is paying off. Kasi maaaring yung kung ano man tong mga pangarap ninyo, you work hard for it. Talaga, no? Maaring pinagsikapan nyo talaga yan. Binuhos nyo dan yung oras, panahon ninyo, no? Dedication ninyo, no? Sa pagsisikap kung para dyan, para matupad ninyo yan, And you've been patiently waiting for the right time, no? Para mag-unfold yan. And ngayon, no? Na you are going to manifest your dreams. So maybe ito yung mensahe sa inyo, your patience is paying off. No, napakaganda nito, Gemini. This is such an exciting time for you. Napakaganda. What else? We have passion. Ayan, burning with life's passion. Ayan, so passion and love. So maybe this is speaking about relationship, no? So maaring, maaring relationship ito. Maaring, dati na kayong nasa relationship, no? Nasa established relationship na siguro kayo, and maybe you're going to be showing your love for your person sa ngayon more than what you do before, no? Maaring you're going to be more passionate, no? With your person sa ngayon, or both of you, maaring ganon, and or maari din naman na you are going to do something to reignite your passion din naman sa ngayon, no? That is also possible, no? So, yun ang ganap. What else? We have dreaming. Be aware of your dreams. Yan. So, ito naman yung panaginip naman ito, no? Most likely dito, Gemini, napipick up ko din dito, maring yung kasagutan din, no, sa inyong mga panaginip, no? Yung mga kasagutan doon sa inyong mga tanong is also being answered through your dreams, no? Siguro marami kayong tanong, marami kayong gustong malaman, marami kayong hinihinging kalinawan siguro, maaring gabay din, no, from the divine universe, and you're being answered through your intuition, and you are also being answered through your dreams, no? So, maaari din talaga na may mga mensahe sa inyo sa inyong panaginip, kaya make sure that you take note of the elements that you see in your dreams. Tulad nito, ang dami-dami, may mga flowers, may mga leaves, may mga shells, may mga birds, different kind of animals dito, flowers, ayan, so trees, no, there are so many elements siguro na nakikita kayo sa inyong panaginip, no? And take note of that, write them down, and bigyan niyo ng oras yan, i-decode niyo yan. Ang dami-dami ng resources natin online na nag-explain ng mga ibig sabihin ng mga panaginip natin, so take time to do that, no? Kung naisulat nyo na, or kung naalala pa ninyo yung mga elements sa inyong panaginip. We also have life purpose. Holy moly, Gemini, napakabongga nito. Tignan mo, you are manifesting dreams, at di sinasabi din dito na manifest your dreams. Gemini, this is really crazy. This is crazy good, diba? Kasi definitely, nasa inyong horizon dito ang pagmamanifest ng inyong mga pangarap. So talagang meron kayong mga pangarap dito, panaginip dito para sa buhay ninyo that are coming to fruition. So take note of that. Kaya napakahalaga ngayon na i-align nyo na yung mga thoughts ninyo, yung mga feelings ninyo, with these energies, no? Dahil malaking pagbabago ito sa buhay ninyo. Maaring ito na yung hinihintay ninyong breakthrough para mabago na ang course of your life, and maybe this is it. Kung ano man ang pinapangarap ninyo, this could be it. The divine timing has come, no? So, good luck, Gemini, and that's all I have for you for the week. I hope nakatulong ang mga mensahe ito in some way. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.